lips, I couldn't help but strip. Before I knew it, I was flipped, dipped, and hypnotized by his eyes. I took a nap on his lips. No doubt, I had to recover from this trip. Now sitting in the question of, what if? He looked at this as just another hit, but still mesmerized by his glide, his stride. As I saw the pride in his eyes, like if silence had a sound, will I be around to hear it? I took a nap on his lips. Oops, I slipped on his. Wow, this man is the ish. Now, how am I going to explain this to the one I'm with? Looking at everything and seeing nothing but his lips touching me. Now, this is where I wanna be. So, I took a nap on his lips. This is an experience I will never forget. Feet planted firmly in the air as he continued to take me there. Now, constantly calling for help, knowing I don't want it to stop, because his hop on top has got me popped. I took a nap on his lips as he tightly held my hips so I wouldn't slip from his grip. Now for sure I have to dip the way I feel now. Still, I took a nap on his lips. Again, an experience I will never forget. Knowing this journey has to end, I have to make it like the wind, because this ain't even my man. I'm just saying, his lips though.